Hey there, and welcome to the screencast about the difference between restarting, shutting down, and putting your computer to sleep. All of these things are accessible on your computer through the Windows icon right here on the bottom left of your screen. So really, these are the three things you got to consider when you want to do one of these things. So, when should you restart your computer? You should really restart your computer if you notice something weird is going on in it. If your sound just suddenly stopped working, if your something's not loading, your Teams is not working, restarting your computer solves a lot of the basic tech problems that are going wrong with your computer. So it's a good thing to do before you submit a ticket, just to make sure that whatever was going wrong is now going right. Then we have, when should you shut down your computer? You should be shutting your computer down every single night. You want to shut down your computer because it kind of turns off all the lights. It allows everything to rest so that it'll work better the next day. It will also, when you do this, allow the computer to check for updates that may be available for it. And then finally is, when should you put your computer to sleep? Putting your computer to sleep is when you just simply close the lid. This is very different than turning off, completely shutting down the computer. When you close the lid, it kind of just puts your computer to sleep. It's still on, it's still running in the background, and it's not completely turning it off. This thing, putting it to sleep or closing the lid, is good to do when you're moving between periods and you know you're going to open it back up again. But it's not shutting it down. So if you're going between classes, it's okay to do that. But at the end of the night, you should be shutting it down. And if you're noticing anything weird going on, you just kind of want to refresh and restart everything, you can restart your computer. And all of these are accessible down here. The Windows icon that you click, you have this power button right here. And if you click it, it will give you the option to sleep, shut down, and restart. And then ultimately, if you close the lid, it is the same exact thing as putting it to sleep. So these are the ways that you do it. These are the things you have to consider when you want to do one of these three things. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. Take care.